I'm saucing on your main hoe. Talking, but stop talking, I don't play no. I said run it up, that's what we do. Run off on a plug, that's a lick. I don't see you, I'm saucing, yeah, I'm saucing.
What's up guys, it's eBay. Holy crap, I'm so excited to do this unboxing. I actually got two pairs of shoes in here. I don't know which one is which, but you guys will know which shoe it is from the title. Honestly, I'm just gonna get right to the unboxing. I've been waiting to unbox this for like 3 days now just because I wasn't able to get my package due to certain things. But yeah, I actually filmed some thrifting and showed you guys where I get all my stuff to resell. This is actually the last thing I'm filming for this video. I was like, yeah, I gotta film something sick for this video. And these are Jordans. Yeah, I bought these to resell. I kind of knew resale value wasn't going to be much, but I still made like a $30 profit, I think. And these are actually kind of clean. I am kind of becoming a fan of the Dunks, so I feel like I might cop a pair one day. Not too sure. So I have bitch feet, so I thought the smaller box was going to be the Air Max 97s, but I guess these are the actual Air Max 97s. I wonder how big the box actually is. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see these in person. Damn, look at this box. Oh shoot. Guys, these are actually my first sneakers just because coming from like the skate world and not being part of the hypebeast sneaker culture, I was like, damn, the shoes and clothes are too expensive, so I never got anything. It's a nice presentation. I thought it came with like 3 laces. I guess not. Oh my god. Good thing I waited for these. These are my first sneakers. I'm actually gonna keep these. I've been dying to get a pair of the Air Max 97s, but when I saw these like a few months ago, I'm like, dude, I cannot wait to get these. Holy crap, these are so clean. I don't even know what to wear with this yet. It says VA to LA. The color is crazy. The bottom is crazy too. No one's gonna expect me to wear these after wearing just these shoes all the time for 2-3 years now. The insole looks crazy too. The first time I got into the hypebeast sneaker culture, the Air Max 97 Undefeated collabs were coming out, and damn, after I saw those, I fell in love with the Air Max 97s, and I was like, I need to get Air Max 97 for my first sneakers. Oh, they did send extra laces. So this one and a white one, and it's got this thing for like the removable tongue thing. Yeah, because this is the last thing that I did film for this vlog, I actually got way more stuff to resell. First of all, I got these Vans mid tops, high tops, these are Vans skate highs, I'm pretty sure. Look at that. I've never seen these, so I thought those were super sick. These are size 8 Vans Thrasher slip-on pro collabs. These are size 10. I actually want these in my size, but can't find any. I found these at Marshall's, $24. Craziest steal I've ever gotten, no lie. Boom, look at these, the Nike Air Up Tempos. These are size 7, so probably that's why it was cheaper, but still, you are not gonna find a crazy deal like that. These were a steal too. These are the Nike Air Force Ones. These Adidas are super sick too. The Superstar Pro models, they're black high tops. Boom, and then you got some gold on the back right there. Sure, I do regret getting, because I feel like it's gonna be hard to sell actually, are these. I thought they were cool enough to maybe resell, but I am not too sure yet. Yeah, now I'm gonna go thrifting or something. I don't even remember, but yeah, enjoy that part. So I decided just to make this video into a vlog because you guys always tell me to make more vlogs instead of doing those unboxing videos that I do over there that I've been doing so much lately. I actually haven't skated or vlogged in more than a month, so that's why I just decided to do it in this video. And I actually think this might be my last vlog for a while just because I hate making videos alone. That's why I haven't been filming. You guys tell me to make vlogs, and I used to make vlogs by myself all the time, so that's why I decided let's give it another try. So yeah, all the vlogs that you have been seeing lately are just videos that I filmed more than a month ago. Yeah, I just wanted to space things out a little bit just so you guys do get vlogs every now and then. So shout out to the homies that did help me film those videos. Like, I truly appreciate it. So how I'm gonna start off my day, I just sold a shirt this morning, so I'm about to package that. Just sold this Golf Old Flame t-shirt, super sick. Totally wish I had the blue one. But yeah, I've been selling on Instagram lately just because I haven't been making that many sales, and you know, because of how I've just been kind of getting lazy to post on there. But definitely get back to that. So if you guys want to buy something from me, follow my Instagram at HiPay. So yeah, gonna take this to the post office along with these 2 packages. Also, another reason I haven't been posting much on that Instagram is because I just have so many packages. Like, look at this. So ever since my last trip to the thrift video, people have been telling me to make more because I guess a lot of you guys actually liked it. At the time, I believe I didn't even have hypebeast or fashion interested viewers, you know what I'm saying? So that is really cool. So I'm gonna go check out the thrift really quick. I'm on a time crunch, so I'm only gonna show a little bit. This honestly might be a good cop. It's really dirty though, but I found some Air Force Ones. They're size 6, they're tiny, but a little bit of cleaning and these shoes would be freaking good. Yeah, $10, good, fine, but I am not copping because, you know, I'm not gonna be able to clean this thing and I'm not gonna be able to sell it or wear it. This thing is crazy. This is like a shoe for Roy Purdy if he were to ever go running. I'm sure it's pretty cool. I'm always on debating on buying Chap's clothes. I didn't even know they were part of Ralph Lauren, but I never know if they're gonna sell, so that's why I'm always like, should I buy it or not? $6. This is a must cop right here. Hopefully I can make like a $3 profit. That'd be super sick. Damn, brand new. This is a must cop as well. This is kind of sick because I'm Japanese.
This is the one shirt?
Yeah.
Are you doing a little vlog?
Yeah.
I noticed. I was like, excited for seeing the Space Jam.
Thank you, have a good one. So the only thing I got was actually the Space Jam t-shirt. A lot of people say they never find anything good. If you actually know the value of certain items, you're pretty much bound to find something good, at least one item. And if you aren't feeling lucky, just look through every single section, one by one. It gets tiring. You get them fucking gains. I ain't even kidding, man. If you guys want to know more about my regular schedule, somewhere I eat is right there all the time. I usually eat there 3 to 4 times a week. Just get bread there and boba every single time I go there. But today, I want pizza. So I've just been hit with some pretty heavy news and I'm actually not in the biggest mood to skate, but I don't want to let the negativity get to me, so I am going to try to get some skating for you guys. Not the hardest tricks ever either, not like I ever do anyway. I mean, I've been skating for a while anyway, so I guess it makes sense. And I forgot my tripod, so it's going to be hard to film, but I'll try to make it work somehow. So as you guys can tell, I'm still rusty on the board, but it felt so good to just do a few tricks after a really long time. But yeah, I'm just not in the mood to skate today, and I wasn't on a time crunch today, but now I am. So unfortunately, I don't really get to skate as much today. But yeah, I will make it up and do more tricks at the end of this video. Oh, my camera stops recording every time, but you know, this is kind of like a trip to the third type of video, so I am gonna go to this other, I don't know if it is considered a thrift store. I only say that because it's so damn expensive compared to Goodwill, and I've gotten kicked out of there filming, so I'm not gonna talk in there, but I'll film if I see something cool in there. I found some Pharrell Williams size 10 Adidas Superstars for $40. I didn't even know they were Pharrells at first, but because they are, I'm pretty sure they're worth a lot more. Yeah, I'm probably gonna sell these for like $60, $65 on my Instagram page at HiPay. If you guys want to buy them, hit me up. I almost slept on them and put it back. Thank God I realized it before I put it back on the shelf. Look at the toes, man. They got some golf flower looking logos, you know what I'm saying? So right now I'm actually going to Billy's because I need some khaki pants. I miss wearing khaki pants. The one I always wear, it makes me look thick. Oh shit. But yeah, those pants make me look thick AF. Guys be like, damn, Ipe, you thick. And I don't know if you guys seen Shardy's video where I got in a fight with the foamy and fell and my pants got all black. Oh shit. I couldn't reach. I feel like an idiot. Another store that I come to a lot that has a lot of good stuff is Burlington. I actually think they don't really have that many cool stuff. I'm not a big fan of New Balance, but I think these are pretty sick. These aren't a cop, but these are still pretty sick finds. These are size 10s, $40. Wow, this is a must film. I've never seen New Balance skate shoes here. Shit, I like don't even skate that much anymore that I don't even remember the name of these shoes. Usually there's a lot of sick shoes, but I feel like they either sold out or did not restock this week. Look at these Nikes. Boom. You know, my favorite shoes ever. Honestly, guys, if anyone could afford this or really like this brand, this is a crazy cop. Lacoste I actually like this brand a lot, but it's just stupid expensive for me. It's just an alligator logo, but quality of their shirts are really nice, or clothing. This isn't a thrift store, but it's like one of those Ross kind of stores, and it is $140. If I found it for $50, I was like, damn, I'm reselling that for sure. Yo, this is some heat, not gonna lie. $25. Oh my god, this is some throwback shit right here. I don't know, if you guys are my age, you guys know during middle school, this was the thing to wear. I honestly think these are sick. I really love pants with like some sort of button sew on the side. Some bootleg polo. Yeet. Okay, this is actually kind of sick. Let me know if you guys would buy this. Damn, this shit's kind of cringy if anyone Japanese can read this. Damn, this one is sick too. I'm not gonna lie, even though those like zoomies looking brands make some cringy stuff, some of their graphics are pretty dope. Like this embroidery is nice. Then this one is sicker. It says Mickey Mouse in Japanese 1958. Some of these kind of shirts have been going really well for me, so I'm definitely copying this one. Fuego. Yeah guys, I think I'm just gonna go with these two. I'm not trying to spend any much more money. Overall, there were a lot of good finds. It's 12:40 and I just got back home, and I came home to a package from Erase that I bought a month ago or 2 months ago, I don't remember. I just bought one shirt and it looks like there's more than one shirt, and I wasn't gonna do an unboxing originally, but because there's more and I don't know what's in here, I am gonna do an unboxing. Maybe Luis might hook me up just because we do know each other, so he did. Shout out to him. And it was just weird because when I got like an email, it was saying that like I got 4 items and I wasn't sure if that was just like 4 photos. Yeah, he did end up hooking me up with 4 shirts. Damn, that's sick. I'm honestly hyped because I honestly thought the shirts were always out of stock. Maybe he just printed them out for me, I guess. Sorry, I don't know the name of these shirts, but this looks pretty sick too. I really like the fact that he's trying to branch out a lot. I honestly haven't seen this shirt, so there might possibly be a back graphic. Also like the fact that it has an erase tag. I also got this shirt. This was the shirt I bought. I love this shirt so much. This shirt actually means a lot to me because it's actually a design from one of my favorite movies. It might actually be my favorite movie. I can't think of a movie that I like better than the one that's based off of this, which is A Silent Voice. If you guys are into anime, you guys should go watch that. If you guys have seen A Silent Voice and your name, answer the poll right there which one you like better. I'm not too updated with Erased, but yeah, I know they just do like random ass drops, so make sure you guys go follow Erased X Project and Luis Moro Vids. Crazy shout out. I did not expect all this stuff for free. Oh my god guys, so it's been about a month since I've last skated, which is the part where you guys saw me skate the manu pad in this video, if that even counts as skating. But right now I just did a few flat ground tricks and it's not feeling so great. So make sure you guys keep skating constantly so you guys don't lose your tricks and your body's quite adjust to it. But yeah, since I told you guys that it might be my last video for a while, I'm gonna try to at least do one good trick for you guys. It's not likely, but I'm gonna try. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the polo. Don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. Oh, you stuck in the friend zone. I tell that 4-5 to 5th. Ayy, 100 bands inside my shorts, a jean, all the shit. Ayy, try to stuff it all in, but it don't even. 100 likes and I'll land it right here. Don't you cry, I just want to say this session was so exhausting. To be honest, I hated almost every single second of skating for this video. Because I told you guys it was like the last video, I felt like there was like a high expectation to do harder tricks, and I was just trying to do so many hard tricks. Not that everything was hard in the video, like the tray flip and the impossible were easy obviously, and the wally, but man, I was trying like all these new tricks that I had in my mind, and I'm like, dude, I haven't skated in 2 months. I can't expect myself to do almost everything I was able to do so quickly, you know? First trick I actually tried was from board big spin. And holy crap, I actually lost my breath when I fell trying that trick, and I also got that like feeling before I know like I'm gonna get a cramp. It was really scary because I was like, this is probably gonna be my last day I can film because I'm really busy. I know the fakey big spin thing wasn't clean. Like, it was the best I could have done, let's just say that. Wish I could have done it better. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of went on a ramp. Even though almost every second sucked, I'm glad that I was able to do these tricks for you guys, even though it wasn't much and I wanted to do way more. But hopefully you guys are stoked on what you guys saw. This is my last episode for a while, so honestly, thanks for anyone who did watch every single one of them. I've always put like so much hard work into each one, even though the creativity was sort of lost. Make sure you guys go follow me on all my socials. All the socials will be in the link in the description below. So yeah, again, like, comment, subscribe, that always helps. Thanks, yo, peace out.